Welcome everyone, the 12th of May, and wow, it's just crazy the way this gap has happened. Let's take a look at this on the daily. Look at this daily, man. Look at this 4 hour, right? Here, candle closed, and then boom, 400. Looking at the 1 hour time frame. So basically now we're just consolidating over here. So we have a resistance. Let's zoom in here a little bit more, right? And then at the same time, we have a support. Awesome. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, kind of like the same idea. Let's adjust this. Let's also we'll be looking at, are we going to fill the gap or not? Will the gap be filled or not, right? So if we measure this range right now, oh man, okay. So let's do this here again. So currently, right now, you have a resistance. At the same time, we have a support, and this is currently in a, like a 240 pip range over here. Right now, if we say that, okay, this is a resistance, 3288, and if we break and close above this area, will we continue to push up to close the gap, which is 340 pips away, or will we go to the next level of sort of like a resistance, which is 130, 140 pips away, right? Right here. I'd say maybe this is going to be an area where price may come up to. Because as price moves up, it looks left, sees clean range, clean range, clean range, boom, support turn resistance. I think that's going to be the area where we can come up into. And after that, you can see maybe this is an area 3320 where price can move up to. So we can just create like, kind of like zones where we think price can move into. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, we have some more information. 15-minute candles are currently moving up. If we don't break above 3287, 3288, and if we create some sort of a resistance, I think this could be a tradable range, right, on the 15-minute time frame. Check this out. So you have a support right here, 3271. If we create resistance on the 15-minute time frame, the only reason I'm talking about the 15-minute time frame is because there's a lot of volume at this point on gold. There's a lot of big range, so like, big moves. And 50, 60 pip move can easily happen on 15-minute time frame. If we come up, create resistance, I think there's a possibility we can continue to push down. So right now, we're just basically waiting for candles to see how we will react to 3285, 3287. Let's take a look at pound yen. Any gaps over here? Oh, wow. Okay, pound yen also had a gap. Later on, we're going to see what caused this gap. Yeah, like a 49, 50 pip gap here. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Looking at the daily moved up, 4 hour moved up, 1 hour candles right over here. We have some market structure now on the 1 hour time frame. And we have a resistance. At the same time, we have a support. Let's look at the 30-minute. Looking at the 30-minute, now we have some more information. Let's bring this up over here. We have a resistance on the 30-minute. We have a very, very solid support being formed on the 30-minute time frame. So I can put my yellow line right over here to kind of like indicate where we can move. And at the same time, we have resistance up at 194.200. Now, of course, if we break below 193.700, you're looking at this area of resistance which we broke up. Basically, what happens is, whenever we have gaps, price is already moving over the weekend, right? So if I look at gold, price is already moving over the weekend, right? It's only moving up, down, up, down, up, down. And then when there's a huge move due to some announcement or whatever, and then when the market opens, it shows us the best price, right? So it showed us that the market opened around, let's say 193.900 here, pound yen. But yeah, I guess we're just consolidating at this point. Yeah, yeah, my voice is not the best there today this morning. So in terms of pound yen, I want to wait to see. I don't trade pound yen, but I just do some analysis because I don't know, people like to trade it. Anything about 193.840 should be good. It got like a 30, 33 pip range. But especially on gold, going to be waiting for some sort of market structure to see if we can continue to push down. I would want that to happen around pre-London. You know, I think that's going to be great. But either way, we're going to see you guys later on for the London Open.